to see.
Welcome to the pristine shores of Nungwi, a hidden gem nestled on the breathtaking Zanzibar island.
Overreact and just walk away. Take me back to the place I know. I have the power to let things go. I'm so lost I can't see the shore. You know what that means? We've been here before.
Step into the heart of Nungwi village, where time seems to stand still and the rhythm of life beats to the enchanting melody of Zanzibar. This vibrant village, nestled along the pristine shores of Nungwi Beach, offers a captivating blend of tradition, culture, and the simple joys of island living. As you wander through streets, you're greeted by the warm smiles of locals who go about their daily routines with a sense of purpose and community. Nungwi Village invites you to immerse yourself in its authenticity, where age-old traditions and modern life intersect. Soak in the culture, the laughter, and the camaraderie of the locals. Feel the rhythm of the island's heartbeat as it resonates with yours, forming a connection that transcends time. Nungwi is a symphony of nature's beauty and human spirit. It's an invitation to unwind, to explore, and to create memories that linger in your heart long after the journey ends. As the early morning sun casts a gentle glow over the village, the call to prayer resonates from the minarets of the mosques. The sound weaves through the air, a melodic reminder of the spiritual heart that beats within the community. The devout gather, young and old, locals and visitors alike, drawn together by a shared faith that transcends boundaries.
My name is Mr. Kombo. I was born in Nungwi. So during the time when I was born, this village was far away from the stone town Zanzibar. It was before independence of my country. Then I started my education when I was very small boy, 6 years old. And then in Stone Town, so because here in Nungwi we had no school, so myself, I get opportunity to go to Stone Town. So there I learned until I become growing up. So then I come back here. Just my work now is to help students to learn English.
Yeah, okay. So I have a question, Mr. Kombo. I have a question. What do you talk about the problem of water in Nungwi? Because long time ago, no water. What do you think about this?
You know, sometimes ago we just collect some water from the rain. We depend on rain season, and just we put them in some container, and we use for a long time. But according to the development, now we must change the process, because even we have tap now, we have wells.
So sometimes I watch women, they get problem about water with tank. So what do you say about the government to help people from the Nungwi? Because sometimes water 2 weeks, 1 week. What do you think about this?
So this problem was before our independence of the country. Was the same thing, because the people live from here and go 5 kilometers from here to take from the well. Yes. So those they just for drinking and cooking, and some other we collect from the rain. We washing clothes and other goods. That is the problem. Is sometimes it can happen because you know sometimes there is some, let's say, breaks of pipes. There is shortage of water, maybe because the village now is growing very big.
Very big. I saw. Very big. Many people. You can tell people how many people in the Nungwi you see. So maybe you are.
We started very small number of people here.
Small number.
Because even the village was the small group of housing, 6 house, 12 housing, and but we were in the different places. But now it's already bigger and unite all the village together.
Okay, Mr. Kombo, I have one question for you.
Yeah.
Mr. Kombo, you are a teacher for English. So sometimes when I pass under our class, I saw many people you teach there. So maybe students you get from Nungwi, or they come people from other Nungwi.
They coming from different places. They come from different places, from Nungwi, from other places. Sometimes some of them they are coming even far away from Nungwi.
So you think the number for Nungwi they come a lot, or Nungwi they say no, nothing?
No. They come many students in Nungwi, so they come to need my help, just to find my help.
You get something from them, maybe just as a payment from you?
Sometimes because I teach those from schools, and some from even from work. Those who have some lack of education, they come there and I help them.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay.
To get your glass.
A village of beauty and vitality, a challenge shadows its schools. With just 13 classrooms for over 2,000 eager children, personalized learning struggles, yet determination runs high. Educators and students unite, driven by the belief in education's power. Efforts to expand facilities are underway, ensuring each child's potential is realized. As the sun sets on Nungwi, it symbolizes resilience and a commitment to shaping a limitless educational future. It is a story of resilience, of communities rallying together to ensure that the potential of their children is not hindered by circumstances. As the sun sets on each day, it signifies not just an end, but a new beginning, a chance to overcome challenges and shape a future where education knows no bounds.
You know, as I told you, this primary, every year they do national examination. The best one, they go to Stone Town, special school, and in the high school, some school they are computer school, other one is the language school, they do France, Italy, and science school. Last year we get 16 students, they go in special school in Stone Town. But this year we expected to get 20 or over 30 students.
Nice.
Remain, they go over there, they are ready one school, that's secondary, they join over there. That's it.
As the gentle waves of the Indian Ocean kiss the powdery white sands and the swaying palm trees create a soothing symphony in the ocean breeze, Nungwi emerges as a true paradise for those seeking an escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Travelers are greeted with the soft, powdery sands underfoot as they stroll along the shoreline, relishing the tranquil rhythm of the waves crashing gently against the shore. Dive into an aquatic wonderland in Zanzibar through the captivating activity of snorkeling. Submerge yourself in the crystal-clear Indian Ocean waters where a vibrant underwater realm unfolds. Snorkeling in Zanzibar unveils a kaleidoscope of colorful coral reefs and an array of marine life, from curious clownfish to graceful sea turtles. Glide through the currents, immersed in the beauty that lies beneath the surface. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned snorkeler, Nungwi promises an unforgettable journey into the heart of marine beauty. It's a chance to witness nature's artistry up close and create memories that will forever ripple through your senses.
Ni aje mzee? Poa, eti hapa mnajenga nini?
Hapo ni gorofa. Yaani tunajenga paa hilo. Simamisha, lakini nataka kujenga na gorofa hapo.
Kwa hiyo hizi fimbo mbona kama zinaonekana ni nyembamba sana kubeba kitu kizito?
Supporter tu, supporter tu kina jiti kama hiyo.
Ni supporter, okay.
Kwa kule juu kule. Au anazuia yani ile zile maji takifika anapiga msumari, anafunga bolt na msumari ile mimi anafunga.
Okay. Kwa hiyo hiyo gorofa inaweza inapanga
resta hii. Inafanya nafasi mbili chini na juu. Ni 2 floor.
Okay. Sawa. Kwa hiyo baada ya hapo lakini itakuwa ni ambao ni miti mikubwa kama ile.
Itakuja ile pale miungu.
As the sun dips lower on the horizon, the open spaces of Nungwi transform into open-air stages, where dancers and acrobats showcase their incredible talents, captivating the audience with their graceful movements and daring feats. The sea breeze carries the melodies of local musicians, their music weaving through the crowd and adding an ethereal dimension to the ambiance. So, whether you're a traveler seeking inspiration or a local celebrating your heritage, Nungwi's transformation into a living gallery promises an unforgettable experience for all who gather to witness its artistic magic.
Just wanted you to comfort me when I called you late night not to see. I wasn't falling into love. Yes, I wasn't crashing into love. Overrule the way they sing to me and they show me where I want to be. You sing to me, oh, you sing to me. Girl, I'll live for how you make me free. So I question you, this memory. You are not afraid to love. For the first time I'm knowing for your love. Today seems made for you, me, and they show me where I want to be. You said to me.
The day gracefully transitions into evening, casting an ethereal golden glow over the beach. The beachside bars and cafes come to life, offering a front row seat to the mesmerizing sunset spectacle. The sun's descent into the horizon is a moment of pure magic, painting the sky with hues of orange, pink, and purple, creating a backdrop that seems almost surreal in its beauty. Underneath the star-studded canopy of the night sky, Nungwi transforms into a romantic haven. The soft whispers of the ocean waves provide a soothing lullaby as visitors unwind and revel in the tranquility that this paradise offers. Nungwi isn't just a destination, it's an experience that envelops all the senses and leaves an indelible mark on the soul. Its pristine beauty, coupled with the warmth of the local culture, creates a symphony of harmony that invites travelers to immerse themselves fully and embrace the pure joy of existence.
Say the sun to me, and they show me where I want to be. You sing to me, oh, when you sing to me. The way you went in front of me, I never realized it. I just can't believe I didn't see it in your eyes. 'Cause I didn't see it. I can't believe it. Oh, but I feel it. Oh, baby, when you sing to me, how I long to give you things beneath clear skies. And I promise you this time I'll see it in your eyes. 'Cause I didn't see, I can't believe it. Oh, but I feel it. Oh, baby, when you say to me. We Stardust. Yeah. Thank you. Enjoy some beautiful noise. Hakuna matata, usiwe na mashaka. Hakuna matata, hakuna matata, usiwe na mashaka. Hakuna matata. Come about you, baby. Come about you, baby. Come about you, baby. Come about you, baby. Goma, eh. Goma, 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 eh. Goma, goma, eh. Sote tunacheza muziki ya Afrika. Sote tunaimba muziki ya Afrika. Goma, 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 eh. Goma, goma, eh. Sote tunacheza muziki ya Afrika. Sote tunaimba muziki ya Afrika. Goma, 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 yeah. Goma, goma,